Hey everybody, welcome to the Terms, Tips, and Tricks, episode 32. My name is Chris Whitehurst. Each episode I explore a term or a concept from the world of real estate you may encounter and explain that to you in a way that I hope is easily understood. Today we're at episode 32, Agency Agreement. This is part of a multiple part series on agency that's going to stretch over the course of several episodes. As a client, you have to give me special permission to work on your behalf. You do that through an exclusive buyer agreement or a listing agreement. We're going to talk about the buyer agreement in episode 34. Keep in mind that your agreement is with the firm, not the agent. The agent is affiliated with the firm and you are legally represented by the firm itself, not the specific agent. Agents owe you specific obligations. They must promote your best interest. When you are dealing with a real estate agent in your transaction, remember who is working for you and who is working for the other side. Your agent is loyal to you. They must follow your reasonable and lawful instructions, give you reasonable skill, care, and diligence. They also have to give you confidentiality. My job is to never reveal information to the other side that they could use against you. I consider it like talking to yourself with an opinion. There's more info coming soon on dual agency, specifics of the agency agreement for buyers as well. If you like these videos, there's more of them on my YouTube page as well as chriswhitehurst.com and Facebook. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe and follow, and please share with your friends. More great content coming soon. I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.